This is a secure file transfer tool built in Python. It uses two approaches, both with encryption, integrity checks, and resumable transfers. Let me show you how it works. I have four terminals open: two for approach A, which uses mutual TLS; two for approach B, which does all encryption at the application layer using AES, GCM, and ED25519 signatures. Let's start with the keys and certificates generation. I'm generating the certificates. The certificates are generated. Now I'm going to start a receiver file. The receiver is now listening on port 9000, and I'm going to start a transfer for a 4 GB file. It is now computing the SHA-256 for a checksum, and I can interrupt the transfer in the middle, and it shows the partial file transfer is complete and it is resumable. So let me start the receiver again. The receiver is now listening on port 9000. So as you can see, the file transfer is resumed from the point it stopped transferring, and let us wait for its completion, and the file transfer is done. Now let's move on to the approach B. We'll now generate the script keys for the encryption of the keys are now generated. Now we'll start a transfer receiver file. The receiver is now listening on port 9001, and let me start the sender server. As you can see, the sending of the file, transfer of the file has started. Let me interrupt it in the middle, and it shows that the temp file for resuming the file transfer has been saved here. And let me start the receiver again. The receiver is now listening on 9001, and we can see that the transfer is resumed from the point it is interrupted. Let us wait for its completion, and yes, the file transfer is completed. So thank you.